Better than new gorgeous 4-bed 2.5-bath home in Clayton's Premier Equestrian Community, Portofino. You are instantly welcomed into this open and flowing floor plan featuring a first-floor office, formal dining room with coffered ceiling and amazing family room with gas log fireplace and built-in shelving. Whether you love entertaining or prefer quiet evenings at home, the spacious, open-concept kitchen is the perfect space with the stunning huge center island as its focal point. You will love the beautiful granite and tile backsplash selection, the plentiful cabinets, along with the gas range and stainless steel appliances. The second floor features a cozy loft/family room space, 3 large secondary bedrooms and an amazing owner's suite that includes a spa-like bath with separate tub and walk-in shower along with a generous-sized walk-in closet with custom closet system you will love. The outdoor space offers as much beauty and tranquility as the indoor spaces do, featuring a gorgeous screened porch, grilling deck, and fully fenced and landscaped backyard. Set on a quiet cul-de-sac street in the perfect neighborhood that features 2 swimming